So this is number 18 from the bookwork. It says making an argument. It's telling us something. We're going to say if it's correct or not. It says in the figure, segment SR and segment CB are congruent, and segment AC and segment QR are congruent. Your friend claims that, because of this, segment CB is congruent to segment AC by the transitive property of segment congruence, which is just the transitive property. So it says, is your friend correct? And if so, if not, explain your reasoning. What do you think? So let's go ahead and I'm going to rewrite the statements that we know. We know that segment SR is congruent to segment CB. We also know that segment AC is congruent to segment QR. All right. Well, in order to use the transitive property, we need at least one thing in common. So here we have segment SR, segment CB, segment AC, and segment QR. There is not one segment in common with either of those statements. Those are 4 different segments we're talking about. So actually we cannot use the transitive property here. These are talking about 4 separate segments. We have no idea if they're all congruent to each other. We just know that SR and CB are congruent, and we know that AC and QR are congruent. We know nothing else. So I'm going to say no, because you need at least 2 segments in common in order to use the transitive property.